This is really the future of storage, logistics, and food safety and handling.
It's cutting edge in terms of technology. The people, they've got the right attitude and culture, which is what we wanted to develop from the beginning.
Full alignment of interest to serve our customers, our community, our investors, and if this project is as successful as we think it'll be, it's a win for everyone.
I'm also very proud that we built this warehouse from nothing, just groundworks to the end. And what I now see is that we have a successful go-live implementation, which you can really see what's now the warehouse is used for.
Five times more productive than conventional stores, and we use half the energy per pallet, and those are the two key levers on our costs. So those things we have to nail.
We can take a lot of pallets on one location. So we have a building of 40 meters high, which is really big, the sizes. So we can also have 50, 60, 70, even more, 1,000 pallets in.
It's worked exceptionally well.
As a company, I'm very happy that we can start it with the first warehouse in the UK.
We always have to prove ourselves, and we don't mind doing that because we know we will. But the model is so different. It's so different from what manufacturers particularly are used to. A conventional store and our model of store is very, very different.
We have like 175 pallets in and 170 pallets out an hour.
Magnificent result in having it even more proven technology, easy to manage and easy to control.
Our dispatch bay is deep frozen. Many conventional stores are chilled only. Security, the product, the traceability, the product, the quality, the stock keeping that we have. So we don't lose pallets, we know where every pallet is. Very difficult for us to lose a pallet. The machine's in charge. You don't have the human error aspect to the degree that you would have in a conventional store.
We really had some problems in the past with a lot of moisture coming in. We have now a technology for the docks for better sealing. It's a new technology that we used, so that's just again some innovation.
Supply the customer in as efficient a way as we can, using the conveyor systems, shuttle cars, buffer lanes, to make sure the orders are raised well in advance of the truck coming in to pick it up. So there's no intermediate step. We take it straight from the buffer lane straight into the truck, and that's the drop sequence that he's going to use on his delivery round. So it all saves a lot of time and effort. Our customers have to trust us. That lays a lot of responsibility on us. We will have the entire stock for R&R ice cream for the UK in our store. So yes, you feel that responsibility.
And then of course the speed is one of the things that they are very happy with.
NewCold is still a group of people that know each other well, and there's a real strength in that.
Ideally, we'd want experienced staff, but more important to us were the culture and values.
They've got the right values and they're hard-working, and they seem to be loyal, and they seem to want to understand the business they're working in. Those are the things we look for, to get the right people in the right jobs, nurture them to begin with, and then eventually they start nurturing you, because they obviously get to know the jobs much better than you do.
We had some people that didn't necessarily have the skills that we needed, but they had the right can-do attitude, which was really important to us. And some of the people that we've employed didn't have any experience whatsoever, and they're currently all in really technical jobs like operator, which has worked very well.
We are working with the local council to introduce to people who have struggled a bit to get a job an opportunity, and to be honest, it's gone fantastically well. When we see that the driver is backed up, we control from inside then the sealing of that vehicle with an air balloon system, and then opening a door from inside so that we are then in control of the back doors of that trailer. So we can check the seal, for instance, make sure the seal number is the correct one. We then open the doors, and when we open the doors, it's opening the doors into a frozen environment. So you don't have any risk of that product being exposed to ambient air.
Initially at peak period, we were taking upwards of 3,000 pallets per day through site from various sources. And a big bulk of that, we had 20,000 pallets stock transfer from our client's current storage provider, which was a challenge to get through the doors in a 3-4 week period.
People in there which only have to do the pallets in and out from the truck, and the rest will be done by the system.
Kept it as simple as possible. There are 2 buttons, start and stop. So he presses the start and the door automatically unloads, the conveyors connect up. The whole load is emptied in 3 or 4 minutes.
Good system, great building, something which we are very proud of.
We have so much data that it's difficult to not give the manufacturer the information that they need. Our track and trace, I don't think can be beaten anywhere in the world. Because the combination of the automation, you're tracking that pallet at every few yards. If there is a quality issue, we're the guys that you need to be with, because we can perform those samplings probably more efficiently, but also more accurately than anybody else.
I think if a lot of customers will see this building and see what's going on inside, they will be, they think it's brilliant.
It's like a family, and we look after each other, and we'll never let each other down. So I think that's one of the major strengths of NewCold is it's more than just a business.
As systems are world class, as people are world class, and it's a privilege to be a part of the team.
NewCold is the best cold storage company in the world, and I think that's because we are more energy efficient, we are more highly productive, we provide a quality environment and a stock control second to none, and furthermore that environment grows people that are passionate about the business and are truly enrolled in what we want to achieve.